So let's see the 52nd question. The question reads as, with reference to international trade of India at present, which of the following statements are correct? So there we have 4 statements, and based on those 4 statements, we have these 4 options. We need to find out the correct statement. So let's go through the statements first. Statement 1 says India's merchandise export are less than its merchandise imports. Statement 2 says India's import of iron, steel, chemical, fertilizer, and machinery have decreased in the recent years. Statement 3 says India's export of services are more than its import of services. And statement 4 says India suffers from overall current account deficit. So the question is from economy, and more specifically from economy, it is from external sector of India. See, the question is from UPSC Prelims 2020, and as we all know, the Prelims 2020 was a bit delayed. It was conducted in October month. So the aspirants were a little bit confused at that point of time with respect to statement 4, whether India suffers from current account deficit or not, because by that time India was actually India was having current account surplus due to COVID situation, as imports were banned. But in such kind of situation, in such kind of questions, it's always better to follow the official data, what the official data says. So in this context, the best document is Economic Survey Volume 2. What we should always try that we need to follow the Economic Surveys Volume 2's official data to answer such kind of question, to answer factual types of question. Okay, so based on that document only, we are going to answer this question or we are going to solve this question. Okay, तो हमारे पास ये 4 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में we have 2 types of trade. Merchandise trade, जिसे हम गुड्स ट्रेड भी बोलते हैं, and then we have services trade. So merchandise trade include goods, जैसा कि अभी डिस्कस करा, और सर्विस ट्रेड में IT, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, आउटसोर्सिंग, ये सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. So the current situation or the trend of international trade from Indian perspective has always been that merchandise में Indian exports were less than Indian imports. So India used to import more merchandise than it used to export. So imports are greater than import, which means in merchandise trade India was suffering from deficit. But from services sector, the trend has been always the opposite. India registered more exports than imports. So services sector is net foreign currency earner for India. So in this field, India was having surplus account. If we combine both merchandise and services trade, then we get data for current account trade. Yet current account. After combining both, what we get is deficit, because India imports more goods and services than it exports. ओके, तो कहने का क्या मतलब था कि इतने सारे मतलब इसमें देखो करंट सर्विसेज तो सरप्लस में है, तो मतलब मर्चेंडाइज का डेफिसिट इतना बड़ा है कि इवन आफ्टर हैविंग सरप्लस सर्विसेज अकाउंट वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंपनसेट पूरे के पूरे डेफिसिट को. वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंपनसेट इन ट्रेड, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, इन करंट अकाउंट्स. सो इंडिया यूज्ड टू हैव more imports than export. So based on this and based on this trend, we can answer this question even if we don't go into the factuals like what is mentioned in the second statement, that India's imports of iron and steel, chemical, fertilizer and machinery have decreased in the recent year. This is a very factual kind of statement. But even if we go through this data, not data, it is not actually data, it has been the trend. If we go by this trend only, then we can answer the question. See, what statement 1 says India's merchandise export are less than merchandise imports, which is correct. Statement 3 क्या कह रहा है? सर्विसेज की एक्सपोर्ट ज्यादा है इंपोर्ट से, अगेन विच इट इज करेक्ट। ओवरऑल हम करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट में रहते हैं या फिर ट्रेड डेफिसिट में रहते हैं, विच इज अगेन अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। विच ऑप्शन डू वी हैव which incorporates these three statements? Only option D. तो ऑप्शन स्टेटमेंट 2 में हम लोगों को जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी, बट फ्रॉम एक्सप्लेनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू स्टेटमेंट 2 इज इनकरेक्ट। वाई? क्योंकि आयरन एंड स्टील का इंपोर्ट के लिए ये स्टेटमेंट सही नहीं होगा, बाकियों के लिए सही हो सकता है। सो स्टेटमेंट 2 इज इनकरेक्ट। दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन इकोनॉमिक सर्वे वॉल्यूम 2 डेटा। ओके, लेट्स सी द आंसर एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन। Here we have the answer and explanation। इसमें बताया हुआ है कि क्यों कौन से स्टेटमेंट सही है और कौन से स्टेटमेंट गलत है। तो the learning from this, what we can get is, whenever government of India launches economic survey, at least go through the economic survey volume 2 at least once। Okay, so this was our 52nd question।